Hey, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Pad Go 2. In this video I want to show you how to force 120Hz refresh rate for all applications on this device. Let's start by opening settings, and now we want to scroll to section display and brightness. Now let's find here screen refresh rate, and you want to select from the list of options high option. You can see auto select, standard and high, so let's tap on high. And additionally, if you want to apply high refresh rate for all applications, then you want to enter section app specific refresh rate, and here you will see a list of all your applications and the refresh rate that is applied to this specific applications. So as you can see, for example, for my Google Maps I have 60 Hz that is set by default, but I will switch to 120. So you'll have to go to this section and adjust your refresh rate at the highest amount for different applications. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.